How to enable fingerprint Face ID in the Citibank app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a faster and more secure logins, well here is how to enable fingerprint or Face ID in the Citibank app. So now without further ado, let's get started with the explanation. So there you simply have to launch the Citibank mobile app on your phone and log in with your user ID and password. And there once logged in you can simply tap on the menu icon or your profile icon, and there you simply have to select settings, and there you simply have to look for biometric login, face ID or fingerprint, and toggle the switch to turn it on. And here once you're done with that, you can use your fingerprint or facial recognition when prompted, and this links your biometrics to your Citibank. And that's it. Now next time you log in to your Citibank account, you simply have to use your face or fingerprint to log in. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.